Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook gising green beans with ground pork in coconut milk. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, ground pork, kokomama or coconut milk, and then shrimp paste, and then the beans, and then garlic, chilies, spring onions, white onions. Saute the garlic first. And then the white onions. And then we're gonna add the ground pork. Okay guys, so we're gonna let the ground pork cook first before we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Okay. So the meat is cooked, the ground pork, and then we're gonna add the chilies and the white of the spring onion. Okay, so maybe we are not going to put salt of this one because the shrimp paste is salty. Okay, and then we'll be right back until it boils. Okay, guys, time for the green beans. Okay, guys, so this is the gising green bean with ground pork in coconut milk. Okay, so we're gonna simmer for 5 to 7 minutes and we'll be right back. Gising green bean with ground pork in coconut milk. Okay, it's done guys. Look at that one, it's super yummy na. Okay, I'm going to garnish with green onions. Okay. Okay guys, so that's our gising green bean with ground pork in coconut milk. Okay, so it's tasting time. That's yummy guys. That's good. Okay? That's our gising green bean with ground pork and coconut milk is done. It's super yummy. Okay? Thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja. To my Instagram, d_bro_ja. And to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.